Hey everybody, here we go. This is a quick flip through of my summer album, which is a flip book from Simple Stories, and I am using the Sunkissed kit. I took a Vicki Boutin class, and the kit was part of the class, and this is what my final version of it looks like. It's not exactly like what was done in the class, and so I hope you like it. It's because, it's been robinized. So here we go. So first I started out, I decided to cover this page and do a little quote. Then I started with this photo, and it has a little acetate over it to protect it. And then I did some journaling. I cut these out. So I had two of these papers, and I cut out the letters and put some foam tape on them in the back. So this is a flip out. And then this is kind of like about my album. And then this is a tag that I made. Oops, sorry. This one I struggle with still, but it has journaling on it about the girl, Miss Haley. And then this is all about June. I did one for each month. And I did some stitching. So, I stitched a lot in here because I just wanted to. This is a story about Mark. And this is the tag, easy to get out. And then I cut out all these circles and made this page to kind of match this paper. This is another story with a tag that has some details on the back, a photo, and then more stitching here. More stitching again, a little flip up with a little more story there. Another flip up. This is really about all the things that I've been working on this summer that are kind of creative. And this is just my craft room, which looks clean, but it really isn't. And then this is another little bit of stitching, and I cut these out. This was a sticker. I backed it with some cardstock and cut them out, the word fun out. And again, I used a lot of tags, although I have a lot left over, so they'll be part of my giveaway. And then this little flip up here, I hope you can see. It has a lot of different pictures in it, etc. And then it also flips out. So I really like all of that. And then these are stories about my bike that just pull out. And then this is another flip up here. This was a different card, and this was a journaling piece that I put on top of this card, and I really liked how it turned out, how all the light green brought it all together. And then again, more stitching. And I used the Honeyman ink from Ellie Edwards to, kind of do a lot of edging. So I used that color throughout, just that color. And then this is about those that died in Afghanistan last month. And then this is National Dog Day, Rainbow Remembrance Day. This is a story about FaceTime with my dad, first time ever. My dad is not doing well. And then this is another one. This is a story about my grandfather and fruit and how much I love fruit because of him. And then this is a story that I'm not going to get into. And then my last page is Scooby Bear. Scooby Bear left us on June 4th. And this album is June, July, and August. I'll be doing a traveler's notebook for September. I haven't decided if I'm going to put a poem or something at the end here. I really like to do that. I may. But that's it. And I am going to have a giveaway. I'll be posting information about that when I post about uploading this little short walkthrough. I hope you liked my album, and if you have any questions, please let me know.